When AI fails, it all fails. Hello, I'm Søren Reinewald. I'm the Chief Customer Officer in Continia, and I'm here to talk about our new upcoming 2025 release. Well, our AI line recognition has been a tremendous success. It has actually made people start using line recognition that didn't use it previously. Some of the feedback we got was, when AI fails, it all fails. And that means if just one column didn't work out as expected, you would have to do it all over manually. We've changed that. You're still able to actually keep, let's say, the first 4 columns that work and do the 5th column manually. This is going to save people a lot of time, and it has been highly requested by our users. Well, sometimes the most simple things can be the most impactful. One of the things that we did is in document output, where you can now quickly create a library of new email templates translated by our AI-powered translator into multiple languages. I don't know whether this feature will be a game changer itself, but I think Continia Finance will be a game changer. I don't think I can find any person working in accounting that will not be able to pick out at least one module in Continia Finance that will ease their workday. With this release, we've made a factoring module in Continia Finance, where you're able to control your factoring flow. It will give you a nice overview and transparency of your accounts receivable that's sent for factoring. Well, this is quite a small thing, but in expense management, when you do an expense report that holds both mileage and expenses, usually before you would just get an accumulated post of the things that were in the expense report. Now we break those things down into per diem, into mileage, into expenses. So that's now visible both for the controller as well as for the employee that needs the reimbursement. In Continia Banking, we now support third-party payment service providers, such as Klarna, such as PayPal. A lot of companies use these providers today. We've now made an integration so it's possible to import the payments from these providers, so you automatically match them and are able to post them in Continia Banking. I think there's one area where we all would like to make a big difference, and this is with Continia Sustainability. In cooperation with Microsoft, we have now built our sustainability solution on top of the framework that Microsoft has built in standard Business Central. One of the major elements is the direct access to continuous emission factor sets. This is something that you would have to set up and work with manually in Business Central. And once again, this is where our solution goes in and optimizes and automates the flow. If I had to describe this release with one word, it's enhancements. We may not have made groundbreaking new features in all our solutions, but we have enhanced every single solution to become better for the user, easier to use. We hope that you're just as excited as we are about this release.